Today, I'm going to show you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT with Facebook Messenger in a quick and simple way using Zapier. This is a great setup if you want to automate replies, streamline messaging, or connect your chatbot workflow to Messenger without having to build everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get right into it. First, open Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type "How to connect OpenAI ChatGPT with Facebook Messenger." Then press Enter and look for the result that says Facebook Messenger ChatGPT OpenAI Integration by Zapier. This is the workflow page we need, so click on that result to open it. When the page loads, you'll see an option that says Connect these apps. Go ahead and click that button to start the setup process. Zapier will now ask you to choose the first app, so click on Facebook Messenger. After that, you'll need to sign in to your Facebook account and allow access so Zapier can connect to Messenger properly. Make sure you use the correct account that you want linked to the automation. Once Facebook Messenger is connected, the next step is to add ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT and then choose Add Account. This will let Zapier connect to your OpenAI or ChatGPT account so it can communicate with Messenger through the workflow. Follow the prompts carefully, sign in when asked, and approve the connection. After both apps are connected, Zapier will move you to the next step. At this point, all you need to do is click Build It. That tells Zapier you're ready to create the integration and continue setting up the automation. And that's it. You've now connected OpenAI ChatGPT with Facebook Messenger using Zapier. From here, you can start customizing your workflow and using it for messaging automation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.